What's up, everybody? It's your boy, KAWIKATANA. I'm here with my big dog right here. Big dog, say what's up. Say what's up. All right, today, well, last night I picked up this bike right here. This is a 1990, what is this, 1990 FVR 750F. It's a Honda. The person sold it, basically, it's been sitting in a parking garage for the last year. That's why you see all this dust. Really all this dust. So I got it for a good deal. Now I plan on fixing this bike up and either selling it or I keep it. You never know. But there is no excuse for people that say they can't afford a motorcycle. The problem is that other people keep talking them into buying stuff that they really don't need. Hence my friend today went a demo ride. So while we do that, I'll explain, what the situation, whatever is, whatever, whatnot. It is so bright. Okay. So went on a demo ride today. Went on a demo ride today, and a friend of mine is like, hey. He works at the motorcycle place, at the motorcycle store or whatever. He's like, man, you need to get a new bike. You need to get a new bike. I'm like, why? He's like, because, they go faster, it's fuel injected, all the little goodies and things like that. And I'm like, well, that's good, yeah. And you want to be cool. I guess in his way he's saying that if you get a new bike, that makes you cooler. And I tell him, like I tell a lot of people, it's not about what you ride, it's that you ride. So I don't care if someone has an old ass bike or a brand new bike. As long as they're on them two wheels, it's all that matters. But everybody gets caught up in the whole, I gotta have a new bike because this person says I need a new bike. Well, the funny thing about that is, is that the people who want you to get a new bike, do you ever see them make a bike payment? Do you see them make a bike payment for your dog? Nope. Do you ever see them say, hey man, I know you got a new bike and things is going bad. I'll chip in and make a payment for you or insurance payment. Do you ever see them do that? Nope. But they're quick to getting you to buy a new bike. Especially when they don't know your financial situation. Yeah. Some of them live with their mom and daddies. Some with their mom and daddies. Some don't have kids or even a home. They live in a trailer or something like that. Yeah. If I lived in a trailer, yeah, I probably could afford a brand new bike. But obviously I don't. You think this bike actually think it's gonna run?
Yeah.
You think it runs?
Yeah.
How you know it's gonna run? Because it's 100 don't mean nothing. This is a heavy bitch right here. It looks light, but it's not. Get in there. Get in there. That's what I was thinking, okay? Let me raise y'all up a little bit so you can see me. Hope I'm too dark. I'm wearing black, wearing a black shirt. Probably can't see nothing. Probably my teeth, my eyes, that's it. See floating hands and stuff. Okay, now, anyway. Question. How would y'all feel if I created a Patreon page? A Patreon, like how Chase has his, and he does the wreck bike rebuilds where he gets a bike and, and puts all a bunch of goodies on there and, and then give the bike away. Now, I obviously don't have the following. I don't have none of that stuff. I am a baller on a budget. I don't have it like that. Yes, I know I have a Gold Wing and a few bikes, but trust me, they cost me some money. But how would y'all feel if I did a Patreon page fixing old bikes like this up? You know what I'm saying? And then just giving it away to somebody who doesn't even have a bike. You know what I'm saying? Or someone who likes classics. You know, all the time I feel like people think because it's got to be new, it's got to be better. I highly disagree with that. I think it doesn't matter how old or how new your bike. If you love your bike, if you love to ride, if you don't have to have all the gadgets. That's what's the problem these days. Everybody has to have a gadget. You know, we got to have 3 different modes on a motorcycle, sport, fast, whatever, standard. I mean, dude, it doesn't matter. Just ride, you know? But how would y'all feel if I decided to take this bike, fix it up to the best of my ability and within my budget, and give it away? You know, give it away to somebody who wants to ride but they can't afford it. You know, yes, I know that Chase on them they do the same thing, but I mean, you know, he's got it like that. I don't, but you know, I do respect what he does and I admire that, and I kind of want to do the same thing. But mine is not getting a bike and putting a bunch of stuff, because most of the things that he gets is given to him, you know, and is like sponsor. Me, I'm just by myself doing this. I'm just trying to, you know, make my channel and things. So what do you guys think? Do you think I should just fix this up and just sell it? Or you think I should fix it up, keep it? Or do you think I should create a Patreon page, clean it up, fix the plastics, get her running, and then give her the bike away? You know, what do I call this? Like the poor man's bike rebuilt? I don't know. I mean, it's really in good shape. I mean, it has a single side swing arm. I mean, you don't see that very often. Even though it's a 90, it still looks pretty good for a 90, to be honest with you. I mean, you know, I don't know what y'all think. I mean, I know it's dusty. I know it's dirty. But, I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think, you know, doing a rebuild? Huh, look, I even got little cat paws on there. Look at that. That's so cute. And look at the headlights. The headlights pretty cool. Got the 2 front headlights. That's pretty cool. You know, get to see if I can find the fairings, whatever, to side fairings. But I mean, all in all, I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's got the single side swing arm on that guy. I mean, it looks pretty decent, you know. And maybe I can get some of my friends who are more mechanically inclined, as my boy Big Dog could help. And I got a couple people who knows how to work on bikes, kind of help me, you know. But what do you guys think? Do you think I should do it, or should I just chalk it up to the game and sell it? You know, because I kind of want to do a Patreon page. I kind of want to do a rebuild, because I have bought and sold so many bikes. I've fixed so many bikes. It's unreal. Probably more than Chase, you know, doing this. But maybe I should do that. What do you think, Big Dog? You think I should do it? Hold on, let me show you. Big Dog, what do you think? No, what do you think? Out of those things, what do you think I should do? Out of those 3 things, what do you think I should do? Now, do you know how the Patreon works, right? Patreon is this. Patreon is this. Patreon is where somebody goes and they have people go on their Patreon, and they can put $1, $5, $10, $20 for every episode I do.
And then you get the bike away?
And then you get the bike away.
Oh, nice. Okay.
That's what Chase does. Chase, you know, gets a bike that's wrecked. He has a mechanic come in there. They all change out all the parts, put brand new parts, and then he gives it away. And then the thing about it is that the people who put more money into it get the better odds or chances of winning. So if somebody puts in $20 an episode versus somebody put $1 an episode, the person who gets 20 gets more of a chance to do it than $1.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
So, and then somehow they figure out how to do the thing, and then they give away. You know, or I'll just fix it up and give away, or I'll fix it up and sell it.
Yeah.
You know, just say, okay, hey, fix it up, runs, whatever, and sell it. Or, you know, like I said, this is not for somebody who wants a brand new bike. Let me make sure everybody knows that. This is not a 2010, 15, 20. This bike would be for somebody who wants to ride, and either their bike is broke, or they don't have a bike, or they want to get back into riding and don't want to spend a lot of money. For his insurance, insurance would be dirt cheap. I mean, dirt cheap. I mean, I pay. How much you pay for your gold wing?
I pay $70 a year.
I pay $40 a year on that gold wing, right there. This gold ring. This let me show y'all. This gold ring right there. Yep, that one. I pay $40. $40 for that gold ring right there. Yeah, $40. So, what do you think? I'm gonna talk to the wife, but I'm thinking about doing a Patreon page like that. Thinking about trying out and see who will sign up for it. And like every once a week, whatever, I come out, clean it up, and then next thing I was getting parts for it and parts by parts, and stuff like that, and try to get up and running. I mean, I know it's dusty, but vision. First thing, always anything, you have to vision it. I know it looks bad. I know it looks dusty and dirty, but back in the heyday, that bike was probably the ish. I mean, it's a 752.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's already got some exhaust on already.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. I mean, I'll change out the chain, sprocket, all that stuff. So, let me know, guys, what you think. You think I should do a Patreon page on it? I had to figure out if I do what I call it. What I call the series. Chase got wrecked back rebuilt. My wife, I'm gonna do her the wife wreck rebuilt on her bike. So I don't know. I'll figure the name out, but just let me know in the comments. Everybody who sees this video, let me know in the comments below what should I do for this bike. And please, I know I'm gonna have some assholes on there that's gonna say, throw the bitch away. That bitch is nasty. That is dirty. It's ugly. I get it. It may not be your cup of tea, but please, you know what I'm saying? Just be a little bit respectful. You know what I'm saying? I know it ain't, everybody's not gonna like it, and it's gonna look ugly, and it's old. I get it. I know that. I know it's old. You don't have to tell me that. And you don't have to discourage other people who wants to ride. I think it's old. And then one more thing. Let me ask you this, big dog. I know it doesn't look like it's brand new and things like that, but let me ask you, if that was the point of the case, right? Mm-hmm. Then people who do Barrett Jackson, all those old classic cars, right. You see how much money they be getting for those cars? Right, exactly. You don't see someone walk and say, oh man, that old Malibu, man, is old, man, it's nasty, man, it's just, it's a piece of crap, man, you know what I'm saying? Get that old out of here. No. And that car gets more than you would get a brand new car. Yeah. So don't sleep. Please don't sleep on the old school, because without them, we wouldn't be where we're at today. That's right. And trust me, this could be, if that was the case, we would never have no museums. You know what I'm saying? I mean, technically, you fix this bike up, you're riding a museum. And another thing too, I guarantee this. I guarantee if I clean this bike up, get it running, get it going good, and I roll up on the spot, I bet you people are going to be looking at that bike like, man, that's an old bike, that's hot, that looks good. Yeah. That no one has it. No one has it. That's the thing about it. Nobody has it. People don't know what it is.
Just like my custom bike.
Yeah. Nobody knows what it is. So, I mean, how would you feel when you roll up on the spot and nobody like, man, whose bike is that? Man, it's old, but man, it looks good. Right. Man, I'm telling you. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. You think I should do it that way, or you think I should just sell it? Hope I mean camera focus. Should be. Yeah. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm out. Big dog is out. We're tired. We've been riding, and I gotta still get my daughter. So, guys, just let me know in the comments. KAWIKATANA out.